How to apply for national ID in Uganda online. So go to your Chrome and open it. Then type Nira. Then you should click on the first website that appears, because that will be the official. After that, you can browse through the website. Then you tap those three dots right above. Then click on mass enrollment. Click national ID renewal if you want to renew. Then click first time registration if it's your first time registering for the national ID. So as for me, I've clicked first time registration. So here you have to enter your email address, so that you can receive the OTP through your email. Then tap on I'm not a robot. Then they'll verify you. As you see on the screen, it's verifying me whether I'm a robot or not. So after the verification, tap on send OTP. Then the OTP will be sent through your email address. As you see above there, it's saying one new message, so let me tap on it. So this is the OTP that they've sent me. So let me go back to Chrome and enter it in the website. So tap on enter OTP. Then you type the OTP that you received through the email address. After that, tap on verify. Then here you should choose your nationality, whether you're a citizen or an alien, which I'm going to choose citizen. So then click submit. Then it will load this page right here. Then here you're supposed to enter the necessary information, e.g. date of birth, place of birth, residence, guardian's national ID number, or parent's national ID number. Let me switch it to desktop view so that you can see very well. So yeah, this is all the information you should enter. So after entering all this information, you should click on next, then you enter some other more information. Then after that, you should click on submit. So after you submit your application, the Nira team will send you an SMS through your phone number. Then they'll ask you to go to the nearest Nira office to capture your biometrics in order to complete the registration of the national ID card. Alright, thank you all. Please like, share, and subscribe.